Hey everyone, today Merchant Words is in Australia, in the mall in Brisbane. And what we're doing is we're looking at the largest retailer here in Australia. It's a company named Myer. And in the 120 years that they've been in business, Myer has had to adapt to shifting consumer demands and business realities. And when Amazon announced a little while ago that they were coming to Australia, the way they responded is to offer something that at the time was new and innovative. And what it was the ability to shop on their website, but then pick up the products in the store. Now here they call that click and collect. Here's a little sign for it. And the idea behind click and collect is it's better for the customer, it's better for the store, it gets the product into the hands quicker. In other words, makes it more like an Amazon experience. And what I think is when two companies actually fight to see who can be the better customer-centric company, it's really the customer that wins. So from Brisbane in Australia, some thoughts from Merchant Words.